Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Pepe update today. And Pepe pumped back up due to how Bitcoin was looking, of course. Now, is Pepe good again? That's the question, right? The answer is probably no. Still not really good, right? And if I don't have to be biased at all, then you're looking for a trend line here again that was broken, and it has been back tested as your resistance. So all you did is at first you try to go back for the retest here. You took the stop loss again, and then you went all the way back, and you probably just had this move for a retest. So the retest was supposed to happen back some few days ago. Maybe here you made a bear flag that trapped a lot of people to short it. Took some stop loss, took the stop again, and moved to the upside. That was pretty much a very, very bad situation for any trader. Long or short, doesn't really matter, but that pretty much was disappointing. But finally, at least the retest happened, and at least what I can say is this is probably the best time to try to take the trade of nearly a reward of nearly 30-40% you're looking for. Maybe this is finally the time. And you may be, I think the better stop loss is up at 1124, which is almost 9% move up. So 9% for 40% is something that, if I was a future trader, I could have really tried out. And that's pretty much all, nothing much. And I'm going to keep it super simple. And the summary, the overview again is going to be support here, support there, one support here. You got another support there, you had another support, you lost the support, you're going back up, this is your retest. You could actually take some few stop loss like this, and then finally go to the downside. And if you make it all the way up to 1130, then you have passed the retest and you don't have a threat to go all the way to the downside. So that's all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.